Welcome everyone. In this video we will give you the idea of robot welding.
Penasonic provides industrial welding and handling robots with a wide range of robotic application. All robots are available as G3 version with full digital communication to our Penasonic power sources, or as WG3 version with Taurus technology. One advantage of Taurus systems is the fusion of power source, controller, wire feeder servo motor, and robot, which share one CPU and are able to communicate very quickly. Penasonic presents the TM Welding Robot series, this being the all-new and unique generation of robots. Customers have the possibility to decide freely whether to use an externally or internally mounted torch cable to match requirements of their applications.
Customers have the possibility to decide freely whether to use an externally or internally mounted torch cable to match requirements of their applications. Additionally, the robot series benefit from a highly rigid arm structure and an improved and efficient servo motor, which provides an enhanced harmonious movement for the positioning of the welding torch.
Which provides an enhanced harmonious movement for the positioning of the welding torch. With an all-new high-resolution encoder working in combination with a highly rigid arm, the TM robots provide improved path accuracy. Through this, the TM robot fits optimally the requirements of a flexible and efficient welding process. Global robotic welding market is substantially contributing in the growing global economy. It has reported worthwhile revenue with a steady growth rate. The Global Robotic Welding Market Report offers an absolute analysis of the robotic welding industry in a converged platform which is grounds on numerous segments including key regions, product service types, and applications, technology, etc. The report provides a sagacious evaluation elicited after analyzing history, current
product service types, and applications, technology, etc. The report provides a sagacious evaluation elicited after analyzing history, current status, and future perception of robotic welding industry. Point 6 axis articulated arc welding robot. A variety of the selectable features specialized for arc welding. Combination with full digital welding power source achieves stable and high quality welding. Good bead appearance and low spatter even in high speed welding. Manipulator type selectable to fit your application. Arm length payload torch type.
Robot arc welding has begun growing quickly just recently, and already it commands about 20% of industrial robot applications. The major components of arc welding robots are the manipulator, or the mechanical unit, and the controller, which acts as the robot's brain. The manipulator is what makes the robot move, and the design of these systems can be categorized into several common types, such as SCARA and Cartesian coordinate robot, which use different coordinate systems to direct the arms of the machine. The robot may weld a pre-programmed position, be guided by machine vision, or by a combination of the two methods. However, the many benefits of robotic welding have proven to make it a technology that helps many original equipment manufacturers increase accuracy, repeatability, and throughput. 3. The technology of signature image processing has been developed since the late 1990s for analyzing electrical data in real time collected from automated, robotic welding, thus enabling the optimization of welds.
Thank you for watching our program. Please subscribe and share our organization.